Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now on slide 10. This is the model that I'm providing for you for a contrasting paragraph. So it needs to be one paragraph and it should be indented. Indented. Use the tab button before you start your very first sentence. So it'll be indented. So you should have 6 sentences and I am listing them for you. Do not write a list of sentences. I want it to look like a paragraph. Type one sentence right after the next one, right after the next one. You don't start them on a new line. So topic sentence. That's that significance of Wallowa to the Nez Perce contrasted versus why the U.S. government and settlers value it. Okay. Then you'll need your evidence for Nez Perce. That's from handout 15A. I'm reminding you. Your elaboration for Nez Perce, which is also in handout 15A. Then look there. On the 4th sentence, you have to begin with a transition word because you're going to be talking about the Nez Perce and how they value the homeland. You're going to be giving me the evidence and elaboration for that. And then you're going to change over to the U.S. government and settlers. So you're going to have to go back, which is really strange because it's slide 4 and it's sentence 4. And look at those transition words again. Pick a different one this time. So if I used however in my first sentence, maybe in my 4th one, I might use like but, or on the other hand, or although. So I might say like, however, and then give my evidence for the U.S. government and settlers that I have on 16A, then my elaboration on 16A for the U.S. government and settlers. Do not forget your concluding statement. Here is the best trick for this. You need to flip the order. We started with how it's important to the Nez Perce and then said how it was important to the U.S. government settlers. I would flip it. Change the words around and flip the 2 sentences. So I would start with the U.S. government settlers and then I would end with the Nez Perce and then use another different transition word. So you should have a total of 3 contrasting transition words in your paragraph. All right. You can see that it doesn't matter if you're going for 3 or 4. Both groups need to have 6 sentences. The difference between them for 3 or 4 is going to be your level of vocabulary, your correct usage of transition words, the evidence that you chose that best supports how this land is valuable and important to the Nez Perce and valuable and important to the U.S. government and settlers. I said they were all good, but some of them are better than others. So it'll be based on your choices that you made, words that you used, and how well written your paragraph is. Good luck, everyone. You are going to type your paragraph on the next slide.